Python code in two ways. One is the script mode and the another one is the interactive mode. So now we will see how the both modes are working. So here I am writing Python, and you will click on the Python exe file in your system, and this is the interactive mode. You can see this screen, there's a black color screen which comes. This is called the interactive mode. Here whatever I am writing, it will be executed simply, and if we want to print some statement, like computer science, we press enter, the code is going to run. जैसे ही हम कोई भी स्टेटमेंट यहाँ पर लिखते हैं वैसे ही वो स्टेटमेंट एग्जीक्यूट हो जाती है. अगर मैं यहाँ पर कोई मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेशन भी करना चाहती हूँ, लाइक 3 + 9 print, so this mode is known as the interactive mode. Now if I talk about script mode क्या होता है? script mode के लिए when you write Python and you have to select Python IDLE. When you click on Python IDLE, what happen? You will see a white screen. अभी मैंने इस पर क्लिक किया है. So see, this is the Python IDLE. Python IDLE में जाकर आप क्या करेंगे? You will click on new file, and here this is like a notepad. Here you will write the code. अब स्क्रिप्ट मोड में और इंटरैक्टिव मोड में मेन डिफरेंस यही होता है. इन स्क्रिप्ट मोड यू कैन सेव द फाइल, like you can write multiple statements and then you can save the file and run the file. So whatever programs you are going to make, you are going to use IDLE mode for that. So for example यहाँ पे मैंने एक print statement लिखा hello, and here I am writing print. So here you can see this is the difference, that in script mode you can write multiple lines of statement. Interactive mode is कि जो भी आप statement लिखते हो directly वो execute हो जाती है, right? So here I will save my program. And for running you will click on run and then run the code. You can see hello Python, it is printed. So this is the difference between the what do we say, the script mode and the interactive mode. So in this was it about the script and interactive mode. In the next video we are also going to learn about the data types in Python. So please do subscribe to the channel to stay tuned in and to get the regular updates. Thank you so much for watching.